So I'm about maybe 2 weeks out from the Martha's Vineyard Marathon, and the shoes that I ordered online, they finally came today. I've been wearing these shoes for like uh maybe 2 years. No, it hasn't been 2 years, maybe a year. And I've been ordering new shoes every about 3 to 4 months. Just because of the running mileage that I've been doing. So they're Asics, but these ones I tried them on in store when I first found them, and I was like, oh, these feel really really good, and they were on sale. They were, I think they were at the time they were $30 on sale. And so I snatched them up. I wore them. They felt so good. And then when it was time to replace them again, I said, you know what? Let me go online. I usually don't like to shop for shoes and clothing online because I'm so picky. But I knew the exact shoe and I knew that it fit well. So I said, you know what? I am gonna see if I can find it. And I did. So I went on Amazon. I found the shoe. Um, and they had it. The price went up a little bit. It was like maybe, I think it was like 35 or something like that. Um, the second time I bought them, and then just now I ordered these last week, and I think they were like $39. But I love these shoes, and I'm so glad they're here. I'm gonna break them in, and I will be running in these on marathon day too in about 2 weeks. So I don't know. Just a tip for you: if you find a shoe that you like, see if you can continue to wear that shoe and look for a deal. And especially if you're running a lot, doing a lot of miles, see where you can save a few bucks. I do it all the time. So this will be the shoe that I'm running in. I got 2 weeks to break it in. I mean, I've been running in this shoe, so it feels great. So it's not really much of a change, but it's still a new shoe. So yeah, my shoes are here.